In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the owner of your Zendesk account. Transferring account ownership in Zendesk might seem like a daunting task, but I assure you it's quite straightforward if you follow these steps carefully. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you need to log in as the current account owner. This is crucial because only the existing owner has the privileges required to transfer ownership to someone else. Once you're logged in, head over to the Admin Center. You can find this by clicking on that little waffle icon, which is an icon with a grid pattern. From there, select the Admin Center. Now that you're in the Admin Center, look for the Account section and then navigate to Billing. Within Billing, you'll see a section labeled Contacts. This is where you'll manage account ownership. Under the Account Owner section, you'll see an option to change the account owner. Here, you'll find a drop-down menu. Use this drop-down to select the new owner for the account. Keep in mind that the person you're transferring ownership to must already be set up as an admin in Zendesk. So, if they're not yet an admin, you'll need to assign them that role before you start this process. Once you've selected the new owner from the drop-down, click on the button that says Make Account Owner. This action is the formal request to change the account ownership from you to the selected admin. At this point, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. This pop-up is a security measure to ensure that this change is intentional. It will ask you to confirm that you do indeed want to transfer ownership of the account. You'll typically see a button that says Yes Change or Confirm, depending on what version of the interface you're using. Don't be alarmed if the wording is slightly different, but just go ahead and confirm the action. Once you've clicked to confirm, the ownership transfer happens immediately. There's no waiting period, and the new owner will have access to all the permissions and responsibilities associated with being the account owner. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of changing the ownership of a Zendesk account. Always ensure that the new owner understands their added responsibilities and that they're ready to take on the role. Thank you for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.